Recently, I got to hear a 9-figure entrepreneur give advice to cleaning business owners.
Oh shit, that's me?
And what he said wasn't necessarily profound, but it's something that if you aren't conscious of it will definitely destroy your business or any business that you get into, especially in the service industry. And I think it's really worth you taking a listen to.
Look, this for all my boss days. Go do your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing them. This for all my boss days. Go do your boss days.
Really quick, boss family, I have a free proposal template. So if you're not getting calls back after you submit those proposals, or if you feel like your proposals just look bland or they just look like an invoice that says estimate on it, then I have a much better way for you to do it. Download my proposal and link in the description, and you'll be able to close more jobs because you will look more professional. You'll look like you actually care about your business. So go get the proposal template. It's completely free. My gift to you guys. Love you. What's up, boss family? It's your boy DJ the Boss, and I am back with another video. And as I said in the intro, I got to hear what a 9-figure entrepreneur would advise to cleaning business owners. Generally, you don't hear 9-figure entrepreneurs or people who are on their way to $1 billion talk about the cleaning industry or give advice to cleaning business owners. So I was super excited when this person, who's someone who I've been listening to his content and watching his content online as an example of what you should do in business, and everybody should. Everyone knows Alex Hormozi, and recently on one of his recent podcasts, he talked specifically to cleaning business owners, which I thought was crazy because I've always said, why don't these guys like Gary Vee and Alex Hormozi actually talk about cleaning businesses? This is like, they all talk about starting from the bottom and doing things from the dirt and gritty businesses, and I never hear them talk about the grittiest business, which is the cleaning industry. So really cool. I was super excited when he talked about this, and one of the main things that he had to say to us cleaning business owners is something that I've talked about before on this channel in a recent live stream, and even more so, but I think he really dumbed it down in a way that I think is really valuable. And the main idea that I pulled from his podcast was his idea of the woman in the red dress, referring to the idea of distractions. Yes, it's a little bit, I don't know what you want to call it. Most of his audience is guys. The idea of the woman in the red dress representing distractions as that girl, that new hot girl, that new thing, that new shiny object. And us serial entrepreneurs, who like most of us are, if you're a true entrepreneur, then you have this habit of starting one thing and then moving to the next thing, or you have a bunch of things that you want to do. There's nothing wrong with that. That's who we are. I'm like that. As you can see, I have a million different things going on. I like to be that way. What I forget to emphasize in my journey is that I had to focus in the beginning. It requires an extreme amount of focus on one particular thing, and the thing that kills a lot of businesses, quite frankly, is just giving up. Is just stopping way too soon. Any new business opportunity that comes up, I know a couple years ago it was drop shipping or doing YouTube and being an influencer, or it was trying to be a TikToker, or all of these different things that come up, coaching and all of these different new things. You don't want to miss the opportunity to get on some new trend. That can often be at a detriment to your business because you need to stick with something, anything, even if it's not cleaning, anything, and especially in the service industry. If you don't stick to it, you're not gonna see the other side of it. There's gonna be hardships. There's gonna be things that are gonna seem preventative to your success, and you can't let that be the point where you stop. As long as you never go out of business, you're still in the game. You're still winning. That still counts as winning. You need to stay in the game. Don't give up. And the more you divert your attention, the less effective you're going to be at whatever it is that you're trying to do. So whatever it is that you're trying to do, if it is cleaning, then you need to focus on cleaning. If it's not cleaning, you need to focus on whatever that is, and understand that that may be the difference maker in whether or not you're successful. If you are only giving your side gig or your cleaning business or whatever your entrepreneurial endeavor is on the side, if that's only getting 30% of your energy or 40% of your energy and 40% of your time, it's probably not going to be as effective as everyone in your area who's dedicating their life to it, or dedicating 80% of their time and their energy into building this thing, sticking to it even when there's new things that seem like they could give you more financial success a little bit quicker. Their cleaning business in particular is going to surpass your cleaning business because you have switched and diverted your energy and your attention to the woman in the red dress, the new, whether it's crypto and NFTs, or the new something with ChatGPT or your whatever the new thing is, whatever the new entrepreneurial endeavor is. All of these things are distractions from whatever the primary thing is that you're trying to do. Boss fam, really quick, you have got to start automating your sales process. I know you love your cleaning business, this is your baby, but you can't do everything. You're trying to run a business here. So automate your sales process so that you can have more time to close deals and grow your cleaning business. That's what you're supposed to be doing. You're the CEO, you're the owner. So you are responsible for growing the business, not doing all those small day-to-day tasks. And if you don't know how to automate your sales process, I have a guide. So go in the link in the description and download the guide. That way you can start automating the sales process and start growing your business and working on your business instead of in it. Love you guys. Keep that boss mentality. Peace. I love that Alex took the time to emphasize this, and this being one of the main things that he talked to us in the cleaning business about. And he's absolutely right. And no one gets in, most of us don't get into cleaning because we absolutely love cleaning. Most of us don't have like a true passion for making things shine. Yeah, it's satisfying, and it feels good to do, especially knowing that you're helping people and you're helping businesses. That feels good. That feels great. And I'm sure most of us, can find joy in that, but most of us didn't sign up because we have that passion to clean with like that. There are some of us like that, and those are the guys that are probably killing it because they put a lot more energy into it and a lot more enthusiasm into it, just naturally, because that's how it is when you naturally care about something, you're naturally passionate about something, you're going to put that energy into it. So especially if you're not already naturally passionate about it, you need to at least find some natural passion for business and some motivation to actually get you to push through those times where you want to give up or you want to switch and do something else because you think it's easier to make money or it's easier to have some success in some other area. Stop diverting your attention. If you got to make up your mind at some point, especially if those of you are starting from the beginning. If you're starting from nothing, from absolutely nothing, and you don't even have like a job to fall back on, then you need to, it's either 100% or nothing. Like you're not gonna get anywhere in business half-assing it. Like you can get lucky, but you usually get lucky by going ham and being in the right place at the right time and being available for those opportunities. You're not gonna half-ass it and get to a place where you can actually sustain a business or even sustain your lifestyle. Do not get distracted by the woman in the red dress. I like to relate it to me playing video games with my son. Like he plays all of the video games. Any new game that comes out, he plays. He's pretty decent at most of them, but me, I'm old school. I grew up playing Madden on Nintendo 64. I played 3 games: Madden, Mario Kart, and 007. Those are my 3 games. Those are the only games I played. So when he wants to play a video game with me, we play Madden because that's what I play, and I bust his ass every time. Because that's my game. That's what I play. It doesn't matter how good he thinks he is or how much he spends playing video games, and he never sees me play video games. But when we hop on that Madden, because I've only played Madden for most of my life, I'm gonna be better. I'm just gonna be better. So focus on your business. Be a cleaning business owner for longer. Be prepared to be a cleaning business owner for as long as you plan to have this business. Otherwise, the more you divert your attention to these other things or these other entrepreneurial endeavors, the more you put your energy and your efforts into those things, the more it's going to tank your business. It should be really obvious. I know it seems like a more obvious video, but if you're not conscious of it, then you definitely will destroy your business. You'll end up out of business. You'll never actually get anywhere because you're not putting the focus required to get to a next level. There's people out here that are actually trying. In the beginning, there was no one that was going to beat me because I was giving this 100% of my energy. It's changed now, which that's evident in how things go. But in the beginning, there was no one that was going to beat me because there was no one who was going to outwork me. I was going to put in the work. And if you expect to have any amount of success, that's the attitude that you need to have. It's called 1% for a reason, because it's what most people won't do. You have to be willing to do things that most people won't do. Hope this brought you guys some value. Trying to get as many videos out as I possibly can this month. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe to the channel. Like this video for the algorithm. You guys know the YouTube algorithm loves the likes. I want to set a like goal of this video for 100 likes. I know that is ambitious for this particular video, but let's do it. So if you don't see that like button with the number 100 next to it, then go ahead and do your part and hit that like button for your boy. And subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. I know a lot of you guys watch the channel. I see the analytics. You guys watch the channel, you watch the videos, and you're not subscribed to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. The best thing you'd be doing for your business is to be on a continuous learning journey. And that means subscribing to channels like this and all the other channels that are run by people who are doing things that you're trying to do. Subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. We're almost a 15 15,000 subscribers. That's absolutely crazy. Thank you guys. I couldn't have done it without you. Go and watch some of my other videos. If you just want to click on the channel and scroll through everything that I've done, go back to the beginning of my journey and watch those videos and see how I got to where I am today. I highly encourage that. Check out some of the live streams where people are asking questions in real time and I can help their business in real time. We've had some really cool live streams on the channel on the Tuesday lives. I think we're probably going to do 1 or 2 more this year or this quarter, and then the live streams will be taking a break. So take advantage of that on this channel on the next couple of Tuesdays and show up for the live streams. Again, appreciate you guys. Hope this brought you a lot of value. It was something that I think is really going to help if you can focus on staying focused. If you can concentrate on staying focused on your business and not switching to the first new thing that comes out, I think you'll be a lot better off for it. So I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep that boss mentality. Peace.
When they start to get new business, they'll stop looking for new business so they can train their employees. But then once you get the employees trained, now you got no new business coming in and you're back to square one. So you always got to be doing both at the same time. There's never a time in your business where you should not be taking on new clients and not be hiring new employees. That's a 100% of the time activity in your business all the time, forever.